Apple has encrypted the A12 and subsequent iPhone battery chips. That is, starting with the XS series. If the system pop-up prompts you to replace a non-genuine battery, even if this battery is healthy, there is no way to use it. Even if you replace the dismantled battery, the pop-up will prompt 7 days. Writing the serial number of an old battery onto a new battery is an utterly unworkable approach. Because the identification mechanism is not to identify the serial number of the battery. Instead, it identifies an encryption chip on the battery protection board. This encryption chip is a 1-to-1 match for the phone's motherboard. We know that the screen replacement of the iPhone 11 series can transplant the encryption chip to solve the problem of unofficial certification of the new screen. So can the battery also use this method to solve the pop-up problem? Let's take this iPhone XS to verify this method. That is, to transplant its original battery protection plate to a new battery. See if the system will recognize that this phone has replaced the battery. First, check the condition of the old battery. 87% capacity left. Then the comprehensive inspection report is also all green. Next, we put the old battery plate on the new battery cell. The original battery's 4 solder joints are stunning. All are laser spot welding. The above one is the Desay battery plate. The following one is a small battery board from Sunwoda. Same IC but a different sealing process. One glue more, one bond less. Okay, this is the new modified battery cell. And this is the old original battery cell, scrapped now. Let's snap the newly modified battery. See if the system will have a pop-up prompt. There is no pop-up window prompting the unofficial battery. Then check the battery health parameters in the settings. The battery is healthy and normal, since the original battery protection board has not burned the data. So it's about keeping the original data state. The capacity is still 86%. Then use i4 Assistant to view. The expected result is 87% battery life and 784 recharges. If you write the battery life to 100% before, the number of charges is 0. The i4 system detects and reports a red alert. Through the operation we just did, we learned that iPhone XS and subsequent models, if you want to change the unofficial battery, the alert not to pop up, and the battery to be healthy and functional, we had to solder the protective plate of the original old battery to the new battery. The phone does not appear with a system prompt for an unofficial battery. At the same time, the green test report of the i4 system cannot indicate whether it is a replaced battery.